This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of October, live on Facebook and YouTube this afternoon. Alabama's weather quiet, no rain today. Looks like we're going to see a little rain Friday, not what we need, but some rain. And then the coolest air so far this season coming in here this weekend. Here's the upper air look across the country today. Trough out in the western states beginning to lift out. And around here we still have ridging in place. Check the visible satellite view. First off, we've got some smoke from a distant fire. Some Canadian wildfire smoke over especially the western half of the state today, giving the sky that hazy, milky appearance. Then above that, we have high cirrus clouds coming in from the west. Otherwise, the sky partially sunny. And we do note some rain on radar west of Alabama, the Mississippi Delta back into southern Arkansas. And again, that's in advance of a surface front, and that will bring some chance of light rain on Friday. Temperatures mostly in the mid-80s, low to mid-80s. The average high for this date is 81, so a little above average, but understand, not that far above where we should be for early October based on seasonal averages. Warmer spots down in South Alabama, 89 for Mobile and Dothan. West of the state, we've got severe thunderstorm watch boxes in effect for parts of Oklahoma and Texas. Flash flood watches around the Arklatex region. Have an enhanced risk of severe storms through tonight, parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Tomorrow, we don't expect any organized severe weather. And on day 3, which is Friday, a little sliver of green here. That means there might be a rumble of thunder somewhere. But again, we just don't expect that much rain with that front Friday, unfortunately. In fact, here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, we'll have a little bit Friday. Some patchy light rain, especially for areas north and west of Birmingham. And southeast Alabama, just not much at all. Many spots not getting enough to measure, but just maybe somebody will see enough rain to get the dust settled. This is the 18th consecutive day without rain for Birmingham and much of the state. In the tropics, it's actually pretty quiet now. We just got one tropical storm on the board. That is Philippe. It's not especially organized. Winds only 45 miles an hour with that feature, and that's going to be moving north. This is the 7-day outlook, and again, other than Philippe, no areas of interest across the vast Atlantic basin. Philippe will likely come into the coast of Maine or Nova Scotia over the weekend as a post-tropical system with some wind and rain there. But again, the Gulf of Mexico stays quiet. Model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And that trough is slowly progressing in the cold front just west of here. We'll have a chance of showers tomorrow for places like Memphis, Shreveport, Evansville, Indiana, Indianapolis. But again, we think the day will be dry. If we do see a shower, it'd be over the northwestern corner of the state. Tomorrow night, again, highs low to mid-80s, much like today. And the cold front comes in Friday with a chance of showers. And again, what we need is just a good steady soaking for hours, and that's not going to happen. But again, a chance of showers Friday. A lot of clouds around, highs upper 70s for most spots. And then on Saturday, that cool, refreshing, dry air mass drops in here. The sky becoming mostly sunny, highs in the 60s for the northern half of the state, low 70s in South Alabama, a pretty good north wind. These are the anomalies, temperature anomalies on Saturday, the entire eastern half of the country below average. And then by Sunday morning, we're going to be in the 40s. National Blend of Models spitting out 45 for Birmingham. We might see a few colder pockets in the upper 30s. Maybe some upper 40s down into deep South Alabama. The day will be sunny. The high Sunday, again, 60s for the northern counties, 70s in South Alabama. Monday, we're dry. We start the day in the 40s, highs in the 70s. Tuesday, we're dry. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 11th of October, again, kind of a weak flow here, the trough off to the east, and we are still rain-free. But again, we're seeing evidence we might see some rain toward the end of next week, Thursday or Friday, with moisture surging north from the Gulf. And let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 14th of October. And we do note that this is eclipse day. We have an annular eclipse of the sun. The totality will be west of Alabama. That's going to be a partial eclipse here. And if this is right, it might be a little cloudyish. We have that northwest flow aloft and evidence of a front that might bring some clouds and a chance of showers. But again, this is 10 days out. This could change. But if this works out, for those headed to Texas for the totality, it looks clear at this point. But again, caution, this is 10 days out. This could change. Rain for Birmingham, coming off the GFS ensemble, still just not a lot. Basically, between now and the 19th of October, the mean is about a half inch. And again, we remind everybody, October is the driest month of the year. For it to be dry this time of the year is not unusual. Here's a look at the numbers coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. You can see 83 tomorrow. This is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. 83 tomorrow, upper 70s on Friday, then 60s over the weekend, lows in the 40s both Sunday morning and Monday morning, and then highs in the 70s for much of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for October 12th through the 18th. Temperatures here would be near average if this all happens to work out. So tomorrow I'm going to be in Anniston, Oxford. First off, Donahoe School, that is in the morning in Anniston. Then a midday talk at the Anniston Kiwanis Club. And then tomorrow evening, I'll be in Tuscaloosa for Hey Coach, the Nick Saban radio call-in show. That'll be a hoot. It begins at 7 Central Time. Friday, got a senior adult group in Shelby County in Alabaster. Friday evening for Friday Night Rivals, I'll be at Piedmont High School, home of the Bulldogs. They're going to be taking on Westbrook Christian. We'll be there on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, and 6. Blitz Game Day on My 68 at 6:30. The game itself on Channel 68 at 7. That's our sister station. And Saturday, don't forget, we have a book signing up in eastern Lawrence County. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is the Fall Fire Festival, and it's hosted by the Caddo Midway Volunteer Fire Department in eastern Lawrence County, and that's where this will be located. And again, they're going to have food and all kind of stuff. We'll be there from noon to 3, and it's going to be a sunny, crisp, cool, refreshing fall day. And we like supporting local volunteer fire departments and first responders. They do amazing work, and we're looking forward to seeing everybody there. So again, this is about halfway between Decatur and Moulton. So if you're anywhere up in the Tennessee Valley, come see us. Again, that's noon to 3, Saturday, at the Caddo Midway Volunteer Fire Department in far eastern Lawrence County. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News got baseball on now, so no 4 o'clock news today. We'll be on at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.